Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Canva for background remover and cutouts step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to Canva for background remover and cutouts, open your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your email and password, then click Login to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. After logging in, look for the pricing option in the main menu. Click on Pricing to view the available subscription plans. Choose the plan that includes background remover and cutouts. If you are unsure which plan to select, click on Compare Plans for more details. Once you have selected your plan, click on Start Free Trial or Pay Now. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your payment information. Review your order to confirm the subscription details. Once your subscription is active, return to the main Canva dashboard. Select a design project or create a new one. To use the background remover, upload an image. Click on the image to select it. In the top toolbar, locate and click on the Edit Image option. Look for the Background Remover tool and click on it. Wait for the tool to process your image. After processing, you will see the background removed. For cutouts, use the same image and select the cutout tool as needed. You can now edit and enhance your design with the newly processed image. Save your work regularly to avoid losing progress. Explore additional tools and features available with your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.